Hello, Lib 1000s. This video is about the Primo Reference Assistant assignment if you're having trouble completing it and what I want. This video will walk you through the process. Okay, here we are on the library's homepage. I'm going to click Go to Mary Livermore Library. And to get to Primo to where I want, go ahead and click on this advanced search. Open this up and then you'll see the Primo Reference Assistant up here in the corner. Click on that. Now at this point in time you will need to log in, and this is simply your Canvas username and password. So now you're here in the Reference Assistant. You should see your name up here in the corner. And you can see over here are some of the searches I've ran. And you can see some of the examples of question. So what you can do is type in your question or something you're thinking about. Like in the class I did, why are Native American mascots bad? I had done that search earlier, and you see it's generating an overview for the 5 most relevant results. Now, when in my paper I say something like copy the summary, what I mean is this overview of sources. This is what it is. Now, each of these numbers corresponds down here to these articles. They're like footnotes. Now, also, if you scroll on down, you see some related research questions. So if you want to, you can click on one of these or use some of these, because what I'm asking you, and this is, if I use one of these, I click on it, you see it's generating the results. Here are my results. Whichever one you use, that's the one you copy, and you can simply copy it. Now I'm going to bring up a Word document, just paste it in. After putting your name and probably the question you used on there. And you see it gives me the search and everything. So the listing for all 5. So I've got an overview. Actually, I don't need to see these results, so you can get rid of those. You can delete those. Okay. Now you see, then I'll go back to my Primo search, because one of the things I'm asking you to do, again, is click here where it says View More Results from your library. Click that. This will go into Primo, and it'll bring up all the items related to that. Now, what I'm also asking you to do is take a look at the search that it did. The only way that you can take a look at that search is go up here and highlight everything that's in this search bar. Come on. Don't you love it when things don't work right? Actually, what I'm going to do is click here on Advanced Search. Go up here and try to copy it all. And you see it's rather a long search. I'm going to say Control-C and copy it. Go back here and paste it in. Now what I'm asking you to do is pull out certain words from this search that you hadn't thought of that relate to your topic and your question. See, I've got Native American mascots, indigenous communities. And one of the things I might do would be indigenous themed sports mascots. And what I would do is do me a keywords /terms and paste that and paste that concept in. I think I'm asking for 10, so that would be one. And see, here is another one, cultural appropriation. Psychological effect, mascot representation. Let's do that one. See, because these are also terms that you will probably use in your presentation. Could do that one, psychological effects. And again, I'm counting these only as one because they are concepts. Native American imagery. Cultural implications. And you see basically what I'm doing is using these or thinking about these for when I do other search. See, there's also psychological well-being of Native Americans. And notice I'm just cutting the most basic of the keywords. Let's see, how many do I have right here? 2, 4, 6. I've got 7. 7. And again, if you haven't thought indigenous communities, you can also do that. I think one of the things I haven't got in here is cultural identity or something related to identity. So you can do all that. And I hope you're seeing this because I am off my screen, so I hopefully will still be recording this. But this is sort of what I want. And when you finish this, you can actually delete this. And pretty much this is what I'm wanting to see along with your name up top. So and again, if you want to save this search, you can. You see where it says save query. If you click on that, since you're logged in, you'll get a message saying it was saved to your favorites, so that you can just go back up here, go to search history or my favorites. Come on, go to my favorites. And you see here is save searches, and here's that save search. Hopefully this answers any question you may have had about this assignment. If not, we will follow up in class on Monday. Talk to you later. Bye.